The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Beaver County, northwestern EAS County, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles north of Farnsworth, or 9 miles west of Perryton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bryan's Corner and Balco. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: EAS, Texas. A severe